Hey, I want to show you a magic ring start for your crochet projects. First thing you want to do, you've got your hook handy, you need it here, and some yarn. You want to make a loop. So this loop should be situated so that you have your working yarn to the right and your tail end to the left. And your tail, should be like 3-4 inches because it's going to get a little bit longer when you're done. So you're going to take your hook and insert it into the loop, pull the working yarn up to make a stitch, and at this point then I tension my yarn and get everything else prepped, and then bring your yarn over your hook and pull up, do your chain or whatever your first stitch is. Usually it's going to be a chain, and that kind of anchors the loop. So for this particular pattern I need to chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then work some double crochets into this loop. So let me work these 7. And you'll notice that as I'm working this, I'm covering both strands, so the working strand and the loop strand. I'm working inside the loop, including that strand. So let's see, I've got sorry about the noises. I'm in my studio, so there's a bunch of other people working in this space. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and the thing that makes the ring magic is this. So I'm going to make that loop big so I can take my hook out. When you're done, you can pull the tail end and it snugs up the hole, so you don't end up with a hole that's bigger than the number of stitches that you're putting into it. So that's the magic ring.